Hi guys, I'm Sam.
And I'm Nate.
And welcome to our garage. We're going to continue on with work we did in the back of the car prior to the Desert Dubs 3rd Annual Vintage Volkswagen Festival that happened on April 20th. We're going to show you all the work that we did getting the new 3x3 trailing arms in place. We didn't get any shocks. We still don't have any shocks on at this point, but we'll get there. And we'll continue through all the work we did prior to getting to the show. So with that, we'll get to the work on the back of the car. Next piece is some big dog trailing arms.
Big dog.
Now, there's a fender there. We can do some iris bushings. We'll grab a knife and cut all those things out of the packages. Get a plastic hammer. And you can see that these are considerably larger diameter than the stock ones.
Yeah, way bigger.
28 millimeters.
How come these are red?
Because they're urethane. Slap that one in there, push that one on that side. I don't need one on this side, I got one. Take the trash with you.
So it goes in like...
Only goes in one way. More trash, more trash.
Do you see these things?
Nope.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Beat that guy in on that side.
It's already pretty much in.
Alright.
Good enough at least.
The fun part, obviously, is going to be beating those guys onto here. There we are. Let's throw that in there. And I guess this does this one too. Real fun part is getting
The wheel fun part?
the Beetle in place with these new urethane bushings.
It's not that fun, honestly.
No.
Yeah, I don't think I'm getting that on.
Let's work on one side, and then once I get this one started, I'll go down that one. So you can get these bolts in over here. Give me a big pair of pliers.
Big pliers. Oh.
That'll work.
Oh wait, so what are these for? Oh wait, these are for the arms, right?
Yep. I'll start putting those in there.
I'm not so sure I'm a big fan.
What?
Oh, no, never mind, I got it in. There we go. I'm not really wanting to actually go in.
Gotta hit it harder, bud.
Sure seems like it. Huh. Well, it's weird because when I just put a lot of force on it, it goes in. It just when I hit it. Oh gosh, it's like. What's that all about? There we go. Got it.
Got it?
Wait, so this is this arm, right?
Yep. Alright, so we can do this side.
Oh wait, well aren't we supposed to put those things in first or
Nope.
no? Oh,
We're just gonna cycle everything through.
Here. Oh yeah, to see how much we got?
Yep. Take that.
Ooh. Look at that giant arm. Thing's massive, huh?
Yep.
Here, wow. Oh yeah, huh?
Alright, I'm gonna grab me some of these bolts.
Oh, yeah.
However, these are gonna be probably long.
Difficult.
At this point, actually, let's do that front pivot. Washers go on the outside.
Like this?
Inside the hole.
Oh, inside.
On the outside edge.
So,
Drop the washers in across the top and put the bolt through the center of them. Pull the bolt out a little bit. There you go.
Yeah, there we go. Oh, there we go.
Alright, you should be able to get it started by hand.
Here, huh? And then, of course, we have the custom tool, huh?
Yeah.
It's kind of hard to start by hand. Oh, there we go.
I need all these bolts.
Are we gonna cut this off?
Probably gonna have to.
Here.
Alright, grab me the 19 big dog and a 19 wrench. The big dog's right there, it needs a battery.
I mean, at least it's a lot easier to actually get to the bolts with these arms, huh? Let's get these on.
Alright, lift that up.
All the way, or?
Yep.
Alright.
Bottom one.
Look at that, huh? Yeah. We got like no travel.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get rid of that.
Yeah.
Or notch that down. Get that guy taken care of.
Yeah, because that is. We got a whole maybe 3-4 inches of travel.
I can't decide on whether or not I want to cut this ledge off
Oh yeah.
to get more down travel or what.
I mean, that's probably better.
We should have actually measured.
Yeah,
That's
we
way-
definitely need to go further, huh?
Yeah, we need to drop this thing down like a half inch on that. That's not going to do it all. We need more lift out of that.
Way more.
All right. Well, I guess let's mark this thing so we can notch these spring plates.
Well, shouldn't we just cut off the bottom? Because that takes out strength from the spring plate. That is just a little...
Yeah, but we can whack more of the torsion housing out to the bottom section, but eventually it's going to stop over here on that, and we're only going to get a 1/4 inch, which is actually a 1/4 inch, so we can start by doing that. Yeah, we'll take that out, and we'll take that out, and then we'll also take this out. All right, more cutting and grinding fun. All right, so pull those guys off, and I guess I'm gonna start knocking that stuff off with the sawzall. Why are you doing that?
Well, on the other side, or?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So for the end of Sunday, April 7th, the day before the total eclipse of the sun, torsion housing, cut here, cut here, cut here. We've got our 3x3 trailing arm mocked up, bolted in. Transmission, that was the big one. That took most of the time today. Getting this thing in place. It's actually, I'll have to go back and check the degrees. It's probably at this point a 7 or 8 degree as opposed to a 10 degree. We still need to, of course, swap out our CV cups. And of course we need to assemble all of our axles. I need to get the bearing seal kits here. I thought those bearing caps had them. Apparently not. Then I can get all the stub axles in place with the bearings and get all that stuff packed and greased. We're still going to end up probably notching this spring plate, or notching this trailing arm rather, because right now this ends up hitting that way up there. So we'll notch this here and up, do the same thing on the other one. As far as our down travel goes, it might be all right. We're going to wait until after the show before we do anything on that. Once we get the stub axles on, we can put on our rotors. We can mock up our brake caliper off the back side and get him mounted. We'll see how that goes. Nathan, what do you think?
I mean, it's almost there. It's just we still have a couple more things to do.
Yeah. Well, there you can get a good shot of how that degree, by cutting that back bracket, how we got that angle on that mount ready to rock in the stock tunnel position without having to cut into the body. Still got plenty of room up top. We're getting there, dude. We're getting there. All right, Nathan, we got a lot of work done today.
Yeah.
Transmission's in. 3x3 arms are mocked up. We got the torsion housing cut down a little bit. We still got a lot to do though.
Yeah, stuff. A lot to do. We still have 6 nights.
6 nights,
Where we
4
can-
hours apiece,
Yeah.
basically 24 hours. We got 24 hours left to work on it. We'll
Yeah.
see what we can get done. But in the meantime, life's full of good people.
If you can't find one,
Be one. Later, guys.